He's put the wrong lights on, it's going in reverse.
I know. He's going around the corner now, isn't he?
He's got two white lights going both directions. Not...
He hasn't changed onto the other line.
No, he's gone back on the other line. Probably means he's due to connect up with another train to go up that way.
So confused.
He's got two directional lights on.
I know.
I don't think that's supposed to happen like that. I wonder he knew.
Is he going back round to get the rest of his stuff? Oh, he might have had a problem.
It's nice to get a photo. Yeah, and there's probably one coming this way as well. Hey, they've both gone red, Pamela. They've both gone red up that end. So they could be both coming similar time to each other. Well, it's alright. Hopefully I keep it out of my video for the moment.
So much for that.
Well, this was unexpected.
Yeah.
You said it would be a castle or something. Yep, he's due to head it back to LostWithiel. So the points have changed too.
Quite quickly.
Yeah, they maybe had the clearance.
Yeah. So.
You haven't seen this one before.
They also don't go up to bobbing, these ones. They just go down to the point. So you don't see these ones down the bobbing because they don't go that far. Because they just go around the LostWithiel loop.
These are the coal ones, they know about the tankers we see. Yeah. It's like sound.
Still going.
You can hear the rumbling on the track.
I mean, if we're approaching, we pretty much reached out and touched it.
I wouldn't.
No, definitely not. No.
No, because that is a safety sound too.
It just keeps on going.
The last one's in
You
shot.
feel the vibrations as well as your feet.
Yeah.
Crikey. He's a big one. He is a big one.
It's going super slowly too.
He has to, doesn't he? Because he's changing onto the other track as well.
Yeah, but that's not until further up.
It's not that far up though. Yeah, like things have just changed as well.
I think there's someone else is coming through because the lights.
It's changing now.
Yeah, he's slowing down to a stop
Yeah,
up there.
because he'll be going onto the other line, the foy line. Another, yeah, they can't.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's huge. Once he's cleared it, then they'll change the tracks back, and then the next train can come through.
Well,
Which is actually due very soon.
What's the next cargo? Was that not until 3 or something?
It's like another hour yet.
So it'll probably be that one probably coming back.
No, it won't be that one. It'll be a different one. The one that goes through Bobbin.
I can hear train horns in the often
That
distance.
could have been him.
Probably there's another train coming through the other direction. You probably see another one probably off in the
That's not
distance.
due yet.
But to be fair, the freight was on the other line, so he couldn't do anything anyway until he moved. With me. Can you remember the name of the train though?
158.
It tells you on the nameplate on the front of it.
It doesn't just say 158 though, it says 158 no. It's a bit of an alpha, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lord,
It's coming in now.
there's 4 of them activated. Maybe the quality of the video on my phone is better on mine than it is on your camera.
I got it in 4K today, so
Yeah, maybe that'll help. There it is.
it's got a golden nameplate on it.
Good job.
So you catch the nameplate on it. The other one should be on its way shortly too.
So if it wasn't coming through at the same time, it would have.
Definitely not hanging around.
Going pretty fast too.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm recording a little bit earlier. Not much, because there's 55 through here. It wouldn't go that far, that slowly. I can hear the rails more now. I didn't realise it's slower down here than it is at Bodmin Parkway.
Yeah.
It's only 55 through here, it won't go as fast as Bodmin. I think the other one might be due to come through at a similar time to the other one.
It's supposed to be, but no, it's running late. It's like 6 minutes behind.
Yeah, it probably means that this one will go through as the other one's pulling up, or speeding through.
This one's running a couple of minutes. Here it is.
Yeah, it's definitely a castle. It could be in the Golden Dragon after all again.
No.
Because appreciate no swearing. Quite a big one. The open-nosed one. I think it's going to be coming out of it, probably Penzance. Hey? barriers up from the train stop. But they're not supposed to have the barriers up with the train station. It's not far though. There's a church photo shop.
Yeah, I know you couldn't. You still could. You'll probably be later.
Yeah, they'll be due to take off any moment. When we get the cargo, it's probably a good time to catch one. There's the diesel engine, look. Hammer. The diesel engine, look, it's on top.
Did you get his nose?
Yeah. I got it. Quite open. They're going to cover it up 10 times probably, where they'll probably go out to London. We went on this about 3 weeks ago, one of these trains. Accelerated it very quickly. First class. And it, look, it's that nameplate thing one I was talking about.
I saw it.
Do you see what it said?
No.
Yeah, I was. I'm sure it's something fun to do this evening while you're not around. I hear another train, but it could be the same one's taking off. See the horns in them? They're in the middle, look, you can see the outlines of them. Tell you what, it echoes through the valley well, doesn't it?
Stinky.
Well, these are hybrid engines, isn't it? This is a castle.
It is. Unusual. He's going ever so slow.
Yeah, I've got the volume on.
Gosh, he's going slow.
You won't see it because it's a little too long for the platform on this side to see it. You might have to wait until it takes off. Hey, it's DB cargo. It's super long. I wonder he's got another one on board. Yeah. It's super long. I haven't seen a train this long for a while.
Right. So that one is not going away. They're going to come through at the same time, surely.
What, Passion and the Freight?
No, there's two different ones, but they're running early. Hang on.
So it could be the ones that were running early this morning that are coming back.
That one's supposed to come through at not until 3:38 though.
Yeah, we won't be able to see that one because we're shopping as well.
Saying